this is a complete accident. I'm a nurse, I'm a mom. You guys are gonna destroy my career. Where's the manager? Oh my god, I have to go get my son! Sir, I'm having a panic attack. I'm so scared. I've never been in trouble. Am I gonna be a picture of me on the internet?
On March 27th, 2024, officers responded to a Walmart following a report of a woman attempting to steal groceries.
He's doing like the teen court thing. Ma'am, I've never been in trouble, honestly. This is a complete accident.
I can understand you forgetting one item, but you completely forgot that bag.
No, but I didn't deliberately do it. It was back here behind all the other bags, like 1,000, 100, and I have no problem.
So, like, remember what you selected in the store and stuff? Is all that stuff, like...
No, I'm, like, completely, I was just scanning everything in.
And then the tag to the...
It was underneath my purse, so I set right in there. So that I would pay for it.
Another one where they're just like, oh, we have
Hey, buddy, I'm running a little late. I will
we have
be there. Please wait
Like,
on
if you
the
go past
steps of the
the
courthouse.
all day do.
between
Okay. So it's not like we're just like, oh yeah, we're not doing it as a thing. It's just like,
Go
hey, we have.
south and then call him.
Honestly, why would I buy all this stuff and forget to scan that? I have plenty of money.
Okay, just call him directly.
Okay, hold on. This is Walmart's the one making
I know,
decisions,
but I
okay?
honestly have plenty of money to pay for it. It's a complete accident.
Okay.
Three yep.
Yep, and I will pay for it. I
That's
have.
when I saw it when she came in, because that's what alerted me to her with the reusable bags. And then we have someone on the side taking groceries who went and grabbed one and she tore the...
Yeah, and I put it right here, ma'am.
Ma'am, when they have questions for you, they'll talk
Right,
to you.
but I can't afford
just
to
have
be
a
in
seat.
trouble. I have to go get my son.
Just have a seat. Let them do their investigating. All right.
Oh my
If
gosh,
we have questions
I've
for
never
you, we'll
been in
ask.
trouble in my life. I'm a nurse. I'm a mom. Like, I have plenty of money. I have to get my son in 10 minutes.
That's me, so.
Is she on out?
No, she's the Latino. She's on the video.
Thank you.
She still has shoes, right?
She's out of... She
still has the shoes on.
Oh, I know, yeah. I forgot she's up.
Am I going to be kicked out of Walmart forever?
You'll be kicked out of this one for a year. You'll be shot past.
I haven't, but I honestly, man, it was a complete accident.
You walked out with merchandise that wasn't paid for.
Right, but I'm telling you, like,
and
I
it
will go...
wasn't like it was like a $5, $10. It was $133.
Right, and I'm
take a
buying
picture,
my
sorry.
Easter presents,
Oh,
my
okay,
kids'
no,
Easter
you're fine,
baskets. I didn't even leave the store. I will have no problems going back there and paying for it. 100% no problems at all. This is going to destroy my career. Ma'am, I'm telling you, this is going to destroy my career. I'm a nurse. Nobody's ever going to
It's
hire me.
$133 worth of merchandise.
Which I will gladly go pay for.
Can you listen for just a second, please? Take a breather. Okay, everyone here has a job to do, her included, and...
But she's not listening to
hold
me.
on, no.
I'm not somebody that
Okay,
steals.
no one's interrupted you. Just give me a second, please. Okay, she's got a job to do. We have a job to do. Okay, at this point, what's been done is done. Everything's recorded. You have multiple witnesses of what occurred.
Right, and I'm
hold on one
telling
second.
you
Hold
that
on.
it wasn't
Hold on.
deliberate.
Hold on. It meets the elements of the statute of retail theft. You deprived them of that merchandise. You did not pay for it. We're done.
I did not even leave the store.
You passed all points of sale.
And I handed my receipt to the guy and everything.
Right.
Like, do you think I would deliberately do that?
No, you did.
But I didn't know. I'm a gun.
Okay,
I have
we're done.
bags
Have a
upon
seat.
bags
Have a seat.
stacked
We're done.
here.
Just have a seat, okay? Have a seat.
You guys are going to destroy my career.
No, ma'am. You decided to
I
steal.
did not steal. I am
Okay.
telling you right now, if I was a thief, I would not be so upset right now. I am 40 years old. I have never stolen anything a day in my life. Can I go back in there and buy that stuff? Or can you take my card and go process it? I need it for their Easter baskets. See, what I don't understand is how this can be proven as something that I deliberately did, ma'am.
I've been watching you for over the last hour, ma'am. Like, I've been up and down the same aisle.
That's fine, and you absolutely can follow me.
So
I'm
how
not
did I know that
hiding
you
anything.
weren't gonna scan at least some of the items?
Ma'am,
It was 100 and, well, you can take it up in court. You can
Ma'am,
explain
it was
your
a
side.
complete
You can
accident,
explain it to
though.
the judge on that side. At Walmart, you left the store. You passed last point of sale.
Okay, that's
At the store.
fine,
Well,
but I'm telling you-
Walmart is pressing charges. I'm
But
pressing charges.
I am telling you that it was an accident, ma'am. I've never been in trouble a day in my
Walmart's gonna press
life.
charges. That's it.
Over that?
Over $133.
And I
Yes.
will gladly go pay for it. It is a complete accident. Where's the manager? And where's somebody that will actually listen to me?
Hold on. We're done. We're done. Stop causing distractions.
There's no distractions.
you
I
could-
am innocent, and I want to buy
Okay,
my kids Easter stuff.
We've already asked you kindly multiple times, okay, to stop causing distractions. What's done is done. Let us do our jobs, please.
Where's your captain or whatever?
You're not going to speak to a captain.
I would like to speak to somebody of a higher power. Please.
We're done.
I don't know where you come off talking to me like that. I didn't do anything deliberately.
You're good. You're good.
What's that?
You got those.
Go ahead and stand up, please.
What? Are you arresting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I have to go get my son!
Please, please.
Oh my god, I have to go get my son!
Relax.
I can't. My son's at the courthouse, and I've never been in trouble a day in my life. I
Listen.
don't have anybody here. Sir, I am sorry. I've never done anything.
The issue is this. It's not me pressing charges. Us on behalf of the Walmart Corporation and this Walmart are pressing charges.
I have to go get my son.
Turn around, put your hands behind your
Oh
back.
my god, hold on. Oh my god.
Ma'am.
I need to get my
Turn around.
son.
Put your-
Sir, my son. My son.
Stop.
Okay, just take a breather.
My son is alone in the courthouse.
Stop. You don't
Please,
want-
let go of me. Let go of me and let me put my phone down. Please. Just let go of my son.
Stop. Put your hands in your back.
I've never been in trouble a day in my life.
You don't want another charge, okay?
I don't know anybody's phone numbers. I'm not from here. I'm not from here. What do you? I paid for that stuff right there. That's my stuff right there. I paid for that. Please, God, please, my son. My son is at the
We do a refund
courthouse.
on this?
I don't know how to.
She paid with a card.
So let's go back to her card. Do you need her card?
Please don't arrest me. Please let go of me. Please.
This is a simple thing.
No.
You could be charged
James, what do you need it for?
a secondary
Sir,
charge.
I'm having a panic attack. Please give me 1 second.
Then
Please, I
relax.
need my stuff for my kids.
Do you know where it went? Like, is it one of the bags, a receipt?
Everything will be refunded to
It's
you.
an receipt. Please,
Where's
let
the
me.
receipt? I am trying to get this money back on your card.
I just want my stuff. Can you go put it in my car?
No, it's going to get refunded to you. Where's the receipt?
You're gonna get your money back.
Please, let me just have my stuff and
You're
put
gonna
it
get your
in my
money back.
car.
Okay.
My son! I need to call somebody. I need to call somebody. I need somebody to go get my son. He's sitting on the court steps, and he's.
How old is your son?
He's 17. He's 17. I need to get my son.
Okay, we'll
deal with that.
Oh my god.
Oh, see, on the thing?
Sir, I've never been in trouble a day in my life. Why am I getting arrested?
Because retail theft is a crime in Florida.
I have nobody to get my. I didn't steal it though. I didn't mean to.
Okay, stop. We're done. We're under arrest.
I didn't mean to.
We're good.
I don't have anybody to bail me out. I don't have it. Please, God, please put something over my head. I'm a nurse. I
The car's
can't.
right there. No one's gonna see
Oh
it.
my god.
I'll take something second.
I didn't even mean to. Oh my god, my
Car's right here.
son.
We're gonna deal with that right now, ma'am.
Oh my god. How am I gonna get out?
Do you have a significant other?
I do, and I have the only vehicle. And I don't know his phone number without my phone.
We have your phone. We'll deal with that right now.
I've never been in trouble.
Have a seat, and we're gonna deal with your son's situation.
I've never
Okay?
been in trouble. Please take these off. I've never been in trouble.
Listen. All right.
I've never been in trouble.
I'm gonna explain very simple things to you, okay? What we're gonna do is this. We are going to grab your phone. I will write down any phone numbers that you wish for
My
you.
son.
Okay, hold on. Listen.
God.
This is nothing personal on us, okay?
Never been in
Walmart
trouble.
is the one that presses charges, and any victim in the state of Florida, whether it's a business or a person, if they request law enforcement to pursue charges on their behalf, we as law enforcement must do that, okay?
I didn't mean to.
Well,
I'm gonna lose my job.
I'm just making a point here, okay? I can't tell you legal stuff. I'm not gonna do whatever. You have every right that you know that you have as an American citizen. But really quick, we're gonna take care of things that we can take care of right now.
My
One of
son.
them is being that,
I
okay?
don't have anybody to go get him, officer.
Where is your other
Please
person?
loosen these a little bit. I promise it won't do anything.
I don't think you will. That's fine, okay?
I've never
Look,
been in trouble.
what's your
I
first
actually
name?
worked at the jail in my state forever. My name's Amy.
Okay, Amy. Which arm is too tight? Which one? Right or left?
This one.
The right one?
Sorry, yes.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god.
Swivel to your left a little bit. Swivel to your left.
I'm so scared. I've never been in trouble. It was a complete complete accident.
Hold on.
Sir, it was an accident. I swear to God, I am not a bad person. I am a
Never
good...
said you were a bad person. 99% of the people I deal with are not bad people.
I didn't mean... I really, honestly, it was behind everything.
Okay. What's the phone number that we need to get out of the phone?
I need to call. Please, I don't know who can go get my son.
You said you have a significant other in town?
I do, but I have the car.
Okay, can he get here or she get here? Okay.
No.
Do you have Uber?
No.
You don't have the Uber app?
No, I'm so new to Florida and I've never been in trouble in
Does your significant other have the Uber app? That maybe you can send an Uber for your son at the courthouse?
I don't know. Can you call him and put him on speakerphone for me? It's 1014. I'm not hiding anything. I swear to you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it, my forever?
Yes, please.
Just calm down when you talk, okay?
I will.
We just need to find out if he has Uber so that
Oh my God.
he can send up a...
You put it on speakerphone. I'm partially deaf.
Yeah, it's not even ringing. Hello?
Yes.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my God. Oh my God, please. Okay, can you
Call
call
her back. Hold on.
Josh?
Does he not have signal or something?
I'm getting arrested.
Ask him if he has the Uber app.
Baby, I'm in cuffs in the back of a car. Do you have an Uber? I need to get Dominic. Baby, I didn't do anything. I swear to you, it was an accident.
Excuse me, sir. Hello? Yeah. Hey, so her 17-year-old son apparently is at the courthouse right now, and she's being arrested right now, so she's going to be away for a couple hours maybe. So is there a way that you can figure out how to pick up her son?
Yeah, I'll have to try to send an Uber over there for him.
My partner's going to talk to him really quick, okay? So things can be explained a little bit more calmly, okay?
I have really bad anxiety. I'm sorry. I've never been in trouble.
You don't have to apologize for anything, okay?
But I do. This is a waste of your time. It was an absolute accident. I'm just tired, and it was behind everything, and I was scanning them, and I was picking everything up and packing it up. It wasn't anything deliberate. I have no problems paying for anything. I wouldn't have spent $200 if I didn't intend on paying for it all.
I understand.
My son, my baby.
You said he's at the courthouse on the steps or
Yeah,
outside of
he's
it?
part of the law program.
Okay.
He's part of the law program. He's going into the Air Force to be a lawyer.
Okay.
Can you push my glasses up, please?
Of course.
Does your son have a phone?
He does.
Can I send my forever? Can I send him your son's phone number?
I don't know how to find it, baby.
What's your son's name on the contact?
It's Dominic, and it's got pineapples next to his name. Dominik.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and.
Am I able to bail myself out? Do we have an ATM there?
There's multiple ways you can do it, okay? I've never worked in the jail, so...
Do you know the address of where your son's at right now?
No, I don't even know.
You said he's at the courthouse?
He's at the courthouse.
What part? Just the main courthouse?
Wherever they do teen court.
Probably not.
Do you know where? I was told to go pull up to the courthouse and that there's an awning next to the parking garage where they walk under if it rains, and he'd be right there.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Did you get that contact name?
Yeah, we know exactly what it is. So the way it works is this. It will be... The highest it will be is a $1,500 bond, which means you can post 10% through a bond company. It is a 10% bond through a bonds company, so it would be at maximum $150. Okay. You will find out when you get down there. All of the jail deputies are good people. All of the jail deputies are very helpful. Okay, but the thing about it is,
I don't want to be judged because it was an accident.
well, we, as well as them, are not judges. Okay, we are not judges. Okay, we don't judge.
I don't want to lose my job.
Well, there's a decent chance. It's 7 o'clock right now that within the next couple of hours you will be in and out. Okay, I'm just making a point though that you being as calm as possible makes the process so much faster.
I have my inhaler in my bag.
Where is it?
It's in my green bag in the back part of the bag.
Okay, hold on one second. Hold on one second. I'm just gonna move this real quick. Hold on one second, Amy. I'm gonna find your bag.
Am I gonna be a picture of me on the internet?
We don't do that.
Why are there pictures on the Collier County webpage?
The Facebook page?
Yeah.
Because those are for like heinous felony crimes. Okay.
I can't.
This is a misdemeanor.
I'm
Okay.
actually I work for a really good doctor, and I have a really.
This is a second-degree misdemeanor.
All right, so he's gonna call your son.
Can you call my son's father? That's not his father. I need you to call Josh Tripla.
Is he in town?
He's in Fort Myers, but I need to tell him so he can see so he can know, because my son's gonna have a panic attack. My son's gonna panic.
So what? Let him know to call your son.
Can you please just hold it near me so I can tell him? I don't want him to know. Tell him to tell my son that an Uber's gonna have to. I need to tell him what's going on so he knows.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
they're still doing stuff, so we got time.
Hey, so I'm getting arrested. Yeah, I'm getting arrested right now. So I'll tell you in a little while. It has nothing violent or anything, I promise. But Eddie's gonna send an Uber to pick up Dominic to bring him home. I'm so sorry. I was on my way. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, bye. Can you call my fiance back and tell him that Angela's going to get him and he doesn't need to get him an Uber? Hey, so Angela's gonna go get Dominic.
There's no way for me to get hold of him. I just hope I'm like 300.
Baby, I don't know how we're gonna get our car.
Car's gonna be here. It's not going anywhere.
Oh yeah, I'll bring it over.
It's at Walmart. I'm in the Walmart parking lot. I was picking up the stuff for the kids' Easter baskets, and the bag all the way in the back was behind the other bags. And when I was packing it, I forgot to scan the one in the back.
All right.
I love you.
All right, sir, she'll call you when she gets a chance. Bye. All right. Ma'am, the processing takes a couple hours, okay? You'll get a bond, and you'll be able to bond down in a few hours, all
I
right?
don't have any way to get here. To get my stuff, I don't know anybody.
What you can do is this. When you make a phone call, when you get down there, you can make a phone call and you can have your keys released to somebody, okay? Right? Yeah, you can have your keys released to somebody. Thank you. You can have your keys released to somebody, okay? When they release, they can come pick up your car and they can come pick you up, okay? Okay? Listen, there are worse off people that are able to make do with this situation, okay?
I'm just scared.
I understand that you're scared.
And I don't want to lose my job.
Okay.
And I just interviewed for a position at the jail, so now I'm not going to get it.
Well, I don't know how that process works when it comes to that, okay? But really quick, everything was refunded onto your EBT card, which is right here. The receipt is on top of it.
What about my debit card?
What about your debit card?
My card that I had like $200 worth of cash stuff in there too.
Were you used on your EBT card?
No, I only had like...
Well, everything else, no. What I'm getting at though, anything that you use your EBT card for was all.
Not even worried about that.
Well, I'm just making a point though that because they have to refund it with the card in hand, okay? Everything else can be digitally or whatever, electronically done, okay? So this, while we're sitting here, and the other thing too is this, because I am not a medical professional, because I don't know your diagnosis when it comes to the asthma or anything like that when it comes to the inhaler, I cannot administer it. I'm not allowed to, okay? I'm physically not allowed to.
I promise if you free this hand, let me take one. I really am having a hard time breathing.
All right, hold on.
I promise I'm not a threat.
I know, I'm not saying you are. The issue is this, Amy.
And I'm not even mouthy, I'm scared.
The issue is this, Amy. What I'm making a point is that there are also people that say things. Again, I have to go based off of my prior experiences and 7 years of doing this job of people saying, "Oh, I need it," and then something else comes up. Okay.
I promise you nothing.
I need to verify that. Hold on.
I can't have my inhaler.
The issue is this. Oh, you turned it off. Okay, my apologies. The issue is this, and this is coming down to basic people in our custody. We're responsible for them both physically, mentally, and also medically.
Promise, I'm a nurse.
I understand that, okay? But what I'm getting at, though, is this, Amy, the faster we get down there, the faster you will see a nurse, and the nurse will let you administer it, okay? They will be able to verify the prescription that is given to you, okay? I'm not allowed to do that, okay? I can't. I would lose my job.
I need a tissue. I've got snot running down my face. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I'm a professional.
This is a 7-minute ride probably down there, okay? It'll be very quick. I will make it as fast as possible. I will turn the AC on. I will get you some cool air blowing back on you, okay?
Sure.
The best way to do it is, if you can, sit on one of your left or right hips. Kind of twist your body. No. There you go. Just like that, okay? It's a little bit of a lean, okay? All right.
I'm not a threat, I promise you. I'll sit here with my hands crossed.
I don't think you are a threat, okay? It's our policy, okay? I can't bridge policy, okay? Hold on. Oy vey. Okay.
I just wanted to get my piece of my son.
The paperwork on our end has been completed. So what that means is that...
I didn't get to see what that lady wrote on that paperwork.
Hold on, Amy. I'm going to open this up so I can talk to you. You can hear me better, okay? So, what that statement is, it's called a sworn statement, okay? She swore and affirmed that the statement that she gave was true, okay? That statement will be placed into... I don't know how aware you are, so I'm just going to go off of maybe you don't know. It's called discovery. Okay, that's the state case file that is against you, aka the defendant. Okay, so that will be all presented to you in your quote-unquote discovery packet, okay? So there'll be a packet of information that you as the defendant have the legal right to be able to witness with, if you so choose, to have legal counsel represent you, okay? And that legal counsel, or you, or however you want to do it, because you have multiple different, rights or options, if you will, you'll be able to review the documents and see what she wrote down, okay? It's our job in the law enforcement setting is the victim or the agent, if you will, loss prevention agent, if you want to call it, just be specifically, we take their sworn statement, okay, and we put into our words as well as verbatim from what they wrote down on something called a booking sheet, okay? And all that is, that's called a probable cause affidavit. Yeah, okay. Every state's different. So your booking sheet has been completed, okay? Which means that all we do is print it off and we sign it as well, swearing and affirming to the deputy that arrested you. I'm transporting you, but doesn't mean I'm arresting you. And they sign it. And then that gets put in there, which means that you at the jail now can move on from waiting for paperwork, because sometimes it depends on the case. Sometimes it takes an hour, sometimes it takes 7 hours. Okay, it depends on how involved the case is. This one was obviously not super complicated for them to write. You'll go in there. You will be able to. I don't
understand why they can just accuse me of. I get that I walk beyond the point of sale. I understand that, but I could see that if I had a history or anything, or if I'd ever been in trouble before, but here she is. I think I'm more hurt than anything. She wouldn't even let me explain anything to her, and she's accusing me of being this thief, and I'm not.
Well, Amy, listen, I was parked about 1,000 yards away, so I don't know, okay? Now, I will say, and I'm just being very honest with you, adult to adult, okay? Walmart's loss prevention staff, they do significant training on this stuff. Not only do they do that, there's video footage.
No, it's fine.
No, yeah,
I know that.
Yeah, so again, I don't know what was seen. I honestly don't even know.
I know what she saw, because when I came in, I had my own bags, which I did. We have to in Maine.
Okay, I understand, yeah.
So I brought my own bags, and I was short a bag, so I got another bag, and I took the tag off and put it up in the top of the cart so I'd remember to pay for it.
Okay.
And the bag, all the way in the bag, was already zipped up for some reason, and I don't even know why.
Okay.
But I figured that I had already scanned it, so I just didn't go back, but it was and I get where she's coming from too, because she has a job to do.
Yeah.
But it was a complete innocent accident. I'm not, and I know it doesn't matter what I have to say because of what it looks like, but that's actually what happened.
when we go in there, okay, listen, and you've obviously calmed down. You seem like an extremely reasonable, good person, okay? Good people make stupid mistakes every day, okay? It doesn't make you a bad person. It doesn't make you an evil criminal mastermind, okay? It doesn't. I'm just letting you know this right now. You got to take it in small little bites, okay? And this is another bite you're going to have to take real quick.
I don't want to lose my career.
I understand, okay? But hear me out for 1 second. We can't look that far down the street yet. We got to look for the crack right in front of us so we don't trip over it. This is that crack. When we go in there, they're, like I said before, they're good people, they're nice people, and they're reasonable people, okay? If you are calm, cool, and collected as best as you can be, okay, answer their questions. You know, these are definitely not the people, because they have zero idea what's going on, okay? You could tell them that you did X, Y, and Z or didn't do X, Y, and Z, and they're going to be like, I don't know what you're talking about. But what I'm saying is, if you need to get phone numbers out of your phone, these are the people that you got to butter up a little bit, okay? You got to be cool with them. They'll let you do that, I promise you, okay? I can't promise you, but I'm willing to bet very, very good percentage that they will let you grab phone numbers out of your phones, make maybe a couple extra phone calls than normal if you're cool with them, and you just do what they need you to do, okay? There's a process. You said you worked in the jail before somewhere else. Yeah, I get it, okay? I can understand being scared, okay? I can.
I'm usually the one screening people.
I know.
The one being screened.
I know. And I'm just talking to you real quick before we go in there, okay? But listen, do me a solid, do yourself a solid. Just try to be as cool as you can be. Maybe scream on the inside, not on the outside, okay? And just do what they need to do in there. That way you can be as quick in and out of here as fast as possible, okay? And they'll be able to explain everything about the bond process. I worked law enforcement in a different state. I've never worked in a jail. I don't know how it works, okay? So you and I know as much as each other when it comes to the jail setting, okay? So when you go in there, if you have a question, ask them. They'll answer it for you, okay?
I know my son got picked up. I don't want him sitting out on the street.
Well, what we can do is we got to go in there. They got to do a couple of things really quick. I don't know how fast that process is, okay? But
I don't want him. I don't know. I'm paranoid, I guess.
oh, it's okay. It means you're a good mom, all right? I'm a paranoid dad. I understand.
I worked in jail too long. There's too many sick people in the world.
I understand that one.
I get to stay in my own clothes.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I can't remember, okay? In the photographs for intake processing here, like I said, unless you are actually wanted for 30 murders, it's not going to be posted online, okay? That we don't do that.
I can't afford it to be. I don't lose my career. I worked very hard for my career.
I understand. I can understand that one. I get it completely, okay?
I'm a nurse to the rich old people in North Naples. I'm a concierge nurse.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I can tell you this, Amy. I've arrested some people before in well-off positions, and guess what? They're still there.
Nobody wants a thief working for them, though.
Well, again, you got to remember, although it might not appear as it is right now, what is the one thing that separates the United States legal system and everybody else? You're innocent. Okay, you gotta base it that.
But I know what it looks like too, and I'm a realist.
I understand that, and as am I. But at the same time, you have legal due process. Okay, when it comes to anything, when it comes against you in a criminal matter. All right. With that being said, whatever happens from this point forward, you will have your time to explain to any sort of legal higher authority, i.e. a judge, an attorney, things like that, what, your side of the case, I can go on for hours about that whole process, okay? But you have that legal...
File it. I mean...
I'm sorry?
I just hope they'll file it so it doesn't go on my criminal record.
It could be dropped. It could be. You could have a plea. I don't know. You could have a slap on the wrist and fines.
I do know one thing. I'm not going to plead guilty to something I know.
Well, hey,
it wasn't true.
Listen. That is your 100% constitutional right as a legal citizen. Okay, and I will never argue with someone's legal rights. Okay, so 40-year-old.
40.
Okay, you're 6 years older than me, so I get it. sometimes mistakes have repercussions. But regardless of that, I'm not going to dwell on that one, and I don't want you to dwell on it either. What I want you to do is this: continue being, obviously, what appears to be a good mother. Okay, doesn't make you a bad mom. Okay, trust me, my wife and I do dumb stuff all the time. Okay, and you know way more than I do because your son's 17 years old. My son's only 3. So you know.
Just want to be home with my family.
I understand.
The woman was charged with theft, all other larceny.